prep this bowl. What's this bowl called with flour so it don't stick?
Oh God, I can't remember. Banneton, I think. Is that the right one? I'm gonna take this. What I'm gonna do, this is beautiful. I'm gonna take some extra flour, kind of go around the bottom here, and kind of work it out gently. Okay. And then I'm gonna dump it onto this spot here. There we go. That's great. Okay, so we've got my ball of dough. Kind of let it relax a little bit. That's looking real good, right? What we gotta do is we gotta cut it in half, see? I'm gonna go right down here, right down the middle. Get a little flour. Come right here. Boom. Boom. So this is gonna make either 2 loaves or 1 loaf and the other half we're gonna use for pizza, which is exactly what I would like to do. So I'm actually gonna take this and put it back in there. So I'll work with that in a minute. But this one, we gotta shape it now. So here's the idea. We're gonna take this. It's got a lot of gas in it, so I don't want to remove that gas by like crunching it, or sorry, grabbing it and destroying that gas buildup. But I'm trying to bring out these edges here and kind of fold it into itself to make a ball of dough, right? So we got this log here. I did not do that super well, but that's okay. Okay.
Sorry, I don't mean to bust up laughing, but the log part got me. We got this log here.
Yeah, so I actually really like what I see here. So I'm going to come over here, because now we want to go to a different section that doesn't have as much flour. Over my tea.
Pull it tight.
Pull it tight, yeah. So this is called shaping. So really, like, you want to just kind of bring it together.
Get your pinkies down there.
But the idea is that the front, which is really grippy, is going to grip to the board as I pull it toward me. The pinkies are going to keep this back part together so that the top kind of stretches as it pulls toward me. It stretches and rounds itself. So like this. Okay? And then you rotate it 90 degrees and do the same thing. And what it does, you only need to do this a couple times. What it does is it tightens the loaf. And you can feel it tighten too. That's what's amazing. So you guys can't see this, or feel it, but I can feel it tightening into a ball. And it's wonderful.
You're leaving skid marks.
Yeah, that's a good sign because that means that there's no flour here, so it's actually gripping, which is what you want.
See those air bubbles on top?
Yeah.
You need to poke them, pop them?
No. You don't ever try to remove gas. Leave the gas if you can. So anyway, that's enough, okay? So we've got this nice round ball, soft top, and then the bottom.
Yeah, look at those air bubbles.
There's
I saw that woman on the video popping hers.
So I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm going to put it in this pre-floured banneton. The reason you put the flour in there is because those ridges will capture flour to keep it from sticking, and then it'll give this really nice circular rings of flour, which I really like.
Now just cover it and wait?
So then you cover it, yeah, because you don't want any moisture to escape. So
wait for how long?
The recipe, so again, that matters. That changes based on your recipe. In this case, the guy says about an hour. Let's take a look. 1 hour. Proof period for this bread is only about 1 hour, so make sure to preheat the oven in time. And then you use what's called the finger dent test to make sure that it's proofed properly. We'll talk about that later.
Yeah, pressing it down and letting it see if it rises back up.
How it responds.
Good job. See you later.